What's up everyone, welcome back, and once again today we are looking at word of the day, and our word today is meticulous. Meticulous. And yes, this is a level C1 word, and the definition of this word is showing great attention to, or to be very careful and precise. And if we can quickly use it in a sentence to make it a little bit more clear, we can say she is meticulous about keeping her financial records accurate. But of course, we will always have some simpler alternatives we can use. So let's go look at some B1 level alternatives. Careful, she is careful when checking her work. Neat, he keeps his desk neat and tidy. Thorough, they did a thorough job fixing the house. Then let's also look at some level B2 alternatives we can use. Precise, the instructions were very precise. Exact, she gave an exact description of the man. And attentive, the student was attentive to details. Now you know the word meticulous, as well as its definition and how to use it in a sentence, as well as some other alternatives that you can use. Well, that wraps it up for word of the day. I hope to see you all again in the next video.